Hello guys, welcome to Creativities with Nikita and wish you all Merry Christmas. So today's video is completely dedicated to origami. So first I will start making Santa Claus in origami. This is very cute. So first I have taken a 7 by 7 inch red patterned paper and then folding it diagonally first and then horizontally and vertically. Make your creases form with your hard objects. I'm using here scissors. Since explanations of all the folds are quite difficult, so it's better to watch the video completely and then do the craft with me. Here I am using 200 GSM pattern paper. Don't use too thick or too thin papers because it will make your craft too loose or too tight to crease. If you want more such creations and if you love my videos, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. From folding and folding, the paper gets thick enough, so it would be difficult for the last 3 steps to fold the paper, but trust me, this looks very cute, and in this way my Santa Claus origami is ready. Then I will finish it off using black and red pen to do its face. Now it's time for making Xmas tree. Here I am again taking a square paper and this time it measures 10 inch by 10 inch. First I am folding it diagonally twice and then upturn the paper and folding it horizontally and vertically. Open the folds and then place the paper in a diamond shape and tuck the 2 corners inside and make a square card like so. Make sure to form your crease lines with scissors or any other heavy objects. As you can see that there are 4 triangles made. So first I will take one flap, insert my scissor like so to make a hole and then press it like this. So from one flap we will get 2 flaps from this fold. We will repeat the same process for the other 3 flaps and finally end up with 8 flaps in total. If you want more such creations and if you love my videos, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Now we will cut the triangles from the lower section using scissors. Then check that your tree is standing with the 8 flaps. Using pencil and scale, I will draw some straight lines leaving 1 centimeter between each of the lines. I will also leave 1 to 2 centimeter gap in the fold area. Now using scissors, I will cut the pencil lines only. Now I will erase all the pencil lines, fold upside down like a triangle shape as I am showing you in the video. Fold the triangles from bottom to top and you can see the triangles are reducing their sizes. Please be gentle while you are releasing all the folds and the triangles. And in this way I will repeat the process for the remaining 7 flaps. So my beautiful 3D Xmas tree origami for this Christmas is ready. Hope you enjoyed it. Isn't it looking realistic? Now it's finally time to make the deer. First I am starting with its face. So for this we will need a square paper. I have taken 8 by 8 inches yellow paper. You can also use a bicolor paper instead of single color paper. Follow the folds carefully because it's very important when you do any craft or origami. If you are watching this type of origami or craft for the first time, it would be difficult for you to recognize all the folds and everything. But if you keep on watching repeatedly, I'm sure that you will get used to these folds and it would be very easy to make such origami crafts. Each and every fold for these origamis are very important. So you can't miss any other fold and you can't skip to next fold. For this deer origami, I have used 150 to 200 GSM paper. So the face of the deer is ready. Now let's move to its body. For its body, I have taken 9 by 9 inch square paper. This is also single color or the same color which I've used for its face. After watching it completely, you will recognize that its face is a little bit difficult than its body. If you want more such creations and if you love my videos, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. You can also follow me on my social medias, that is on Instagram, Facebook, and I am also in VShot now. I am very much active on my Instagram, Facebook and VShot because I regularly upload new art and craft videos there. So the body of the deer is ready. Let's join both of the face and body together. Draw eyes and nose on the face. Apply glue on the top section and then fold it. And insert the body into the fold of the face like this. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.